Hello guys, you're on VM24.com YouTube channel, and today we will talk about how to fix the charging error on the Samsung Galaxy J400. We have the Samsung Galaxy J400. While charging, a warning appears on the display. Temperature too low, charging stopped. This often occurs due to liquid getting into the bottom of the smartphone, as a result of which the contact on the thermistor disappears, either directly under the thermistor itself or at the test point in the middle of the track. In our case, damage to the test point is visible in the middle of the track from the thermistor. Let's move on to the repair. We take a sharp scalpel and carefully clean the path on the both sides of the damage. We apply flux and tin the contacts. Then solder a thin copper wire and restore contact. If the repair was successful, you will see a charge indication, not an error. Okay, thank you for watching and good luck with your repairs.
Okay guys, now we're done. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel or read our articles on our website. Take care of yourself and until next video.